Welcome to our channel Tech Curry. In this video we will learn how to enable Hyper-V in Windows 10. So let's get started. First we need to check whether virtualization technology is enabled in our system firmware or not. To check it we will open command prompt and run systeminfo command. Systeminfo command will collect all information about your machine. It will take a few seconds. In Hyper-V requirements section, if value of virtualization enabled in firmware is no, then we will have to enable it in our firmware, BIOS/UEFI, first. To enable virtualization in firmware we will restart our machine and open BIOS by pressing Del key on boot. Different PC or motherboard OEM designate different keys to open BIOS or UEFI. In our machine it's Del key. In BIOS you will have to enable Intel VT or AMD V technology depending on your processor brand. In our case it is AMD V technology as my machine has AMD's processor. On pressing Del key BIOS has opened. Now we will enable virtualization as shown in this demo. The BIOS/UEFI is different for different OEMs. So you might search for a while to find virtualization option. Now we will save the settings and exit by pressing F10 key. System will reboot to Windows after this step. System has boot into Windows after enabling virtualization in firmware. You can verify again by running systeminfo command. In Hyper-V requirements section we can read that a hypervisor has been detected. It means that virtualization is enabled in our machine now. If the same message was shown when we first run this command before making changes to BIOS. In that scenario those changes we made to BIOS were not required and we could simply proceed to our next step. Now our next and final step will be enabling the Hyper-V feature in Windows. To perform that we will run optional features command from run dialog box. This command will open a screen from where we can enable or disable Windows optional features. In this screen we will select, check, Hyper-V feature and click OK button. Windows system will search the required files and make the required changes to Windows. After applying the changes, it is mandatory to restart the machine. The changes made to the system will not appear until we restart the machine. Let's restart now. System may take a while before it shut down and start again. After is start we can search and open HyperV Manager from search bar. Now, we can connect to any remote or local machine and start creating virtual machines. We can see all Hyper-V options are available here. This was step-by-step Hyper-V enabling tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to see more useful videos.